you're watching this video, it means you want to download Fortnite. Now, I'm assuming you're using PC because it's pretty easy on console. So basically, you want to download the Epic Games launcher because otherwise there's nowhere else to download Fortnite from. So you download it off the official website, click that download button, it will come up here, and then you have to run the exe file and you should install it. I already have it installed, so I'm going to open that now. Epic Games Launcher right here. Just got to wait for it to load. Here it is. Now, I should already have it in my library. I'm going to check once this loads. Chop chop. Actually, I guess I could look on store. It'll come up anyway. Okay. Fortnite. Here it is. In library, click it. There it is, right here. Click install. Decide, where you want it to install. Click this button, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. See you next time.